No yan. No
Ano
yan.
siya?
With egg yan eh. Doon egg oh. Doon oh egg oh.
Iba, alam niya nakuha niya iba eh. Nag-iisip siya, oh, diba? Oh.
Ito egg oh.
Oh, alam niya kung saan nilalagay mo na, oh. Oh, di, nag-iisip siya. Above yan, Lucas. Yan yung spine ni Spinosaurus.
Tulungan ko muna.
Sa taas yan, Lucas. Yung spine niya ni Spinosaurus. Oh, yung head naman, yung head. Ayusin mo. Oh, saan malalagay yan ngayon?
Sama-sama na yun.
At least alam niya na mag-fix eh. Oh, uurong na yun, daddy. Ay, urong na yan. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ano, nahanap mo ba? Nahanap niya mo. Oh. Ay,
Galing baby ah.
daddy, nahanap niya talaga mo.
Galing baby ah.
Oh no, nabinuon niya. Oh. Fix on the top, then push.
Baby, oh.
Lucas. Put it in the top. Ayan, push. Okay. Oh, diba? Then put it there na. Ayun, sa... Nabibitaw kasi pag initawan niya.
Galing baby ah. Ayos talaga baby namin ah.
Oh! Okay, feed then push. Okay, Lucas. Saan na yung next?
What's next?
Sabi nung hindi yan yung katawan sa Stegosaurus.
Ito.
Oh, doon na. Help ka na ni Daddy.
Oh.
Wow!
Oh, di ba? Oh,
Ito,
ayos
tanggalin
na.
natin ito sa Stegosaurus. Ito eh.
Kasi egg. Dito egg oh.
Ah, alam ni Daddy yung ulo. Bantay mo siya. Lalagay niya yung ulo.
Ah, sige.
Lugaw,
Galing, oh.
Lucas. Put the head na
Asa
lang.
egg?
Put
Head.
the head ng
Head daw, head.
Spinosaurus.
Head. Where's the head?
Oh, oh, twist, twist. Oh, galing talaga.
Galing
Isa pa,
talaga, oh.
Another, okay.
Wow!
Good job,
Nice
Mama.
job! Up
Good
here.
job. Good job, Mom, Daddy.
Up here.
Up here.
Mm.
More on Stegosaurus or more on Spinosaurus? What do
Ayun,
you
oh,
like?
ito.
Ito, yun eh.
Ito. Dito yan.
Ah,
Dito.
dito sa head yan, sa taas.
Galing nga. Oh, oh. Fix. Fit on it. Galing nga. Dito.
Put it
Yun.
on the
Galing nga.
top.
Help kita.
And feet. Push, push. Okay. Oh, good job naman.
Galing
talaga,
ah!
bunso. Ah.
That's next.
Ano pa siya?
Next.
Who's that? Nakita na agad.
Galing.
Wow! Wow!
Galing nga.
Good job, Lucas, ah.
Galing
Sakto
ah.
lang yung dala-dalawa. Kasi pag isa-isa, masyado bang ano sa kanya. Good job, Lucas, ah. Next.
What's next?
Oh, yung sa above na lang muna niya. Okay. Oh.
Nice. Galing ah.
Oh.
Up. Slowly.
Nalagay niya na yun kanina sa baba. Ito,
Tama yun.
Ito, lagay mo dito. Ito pa, Lucas, eh, oh. Stegosaurus to. Oh. Ay, sige.
Wow.
Oh, fix mo na.
Uh-oh.
Help ka.
Help na? Say help. No. Kaya. Ang galing ah. Very nice.
Okay, put it there. Oh, galing
Ayos
ah.
natin,
Help ka
ayos.
ni Daddy.
Wow!
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 Okay,
Next.
Yes.
Dyan na.
Next.
Put it on na dyan.
Ang galing-galing
Wow! Wow, galing ah! Next.
Okay.
Wait,
Wow,
wait.
nahanap niya. Fix mo na.
Galing ah. Ayun oh.
Help ka ni Daddy. May ipifix siya. Ipifit niya talaga. Ipifit niya muna. Hindi, I think it's not the one, Lucas. Have to look for another one. Fit.
And?
Parang,
Uh-oh.
parang ano,
Uh-oh.
puro green eh. Help ka, Daddy.
Help kita? Hindi kaya, Lucas yan. Wow.
Nag-fit kasi. Put Stegosaurus something, dito sa kanyang plate, so. Did you see something like for Stegosaurus? Yung plates niya? That one. You want me to help you? I can see, you need to find the plates of Stegosaurus first. Yeah. Oh, it's not for pterodactyl.
No.
You want mommy, daddy help?
Help? Okay, help.
Help.
Borrow. Wait.
Nabi mo yung
Wait, not
Stegosaurus.
that place.
Something, Can you find it, daddy? Oh, yay,
see?
daddy found it. Next.
Dito.
I think it's a strong daddy.
Dito yun.
Ay, ito yata yun. Ito, this one.
Ito. Yun,
Okay.
yay.
Lucas, do you...
Next. Okay. O, ikaw na. Next na. Dami na yan, oh. Dali.
Get the red one.
Kita mo pa ba? Tudulig na nga ako eh.
Maduling na. Wow!
Galing ah!
Hanap ni Lucas
Oh, yan,
Feet.
Galing ah!
Fix. Good job, Lucas
Wow!
Another one.
There's more!
Have patience, Daddy. I can finish this one. Twist. You have to twist it. Twist it.
Twist.
Okay, good job.
Galing ah! More pa oh. Ito pa oh.
More pa.
Tapos mo na. Galing ah.
Okay.
Oh, next.
Find it. Can you find it? Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Lucas. And you have to get it out, ha? Put... Ayaw na, sige. Can you see? You see? Alisin mo. Hindi kasi kaya. You have to put it above, then push it, Lucas. Push it in. Help. Balikan natin to. Put it back. Diba? Put it back. Okay.
Dito muna. Dito.
Daddy, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Next.
Yun, dito. Wow!
Wow! Good job naman, Lucas.
Next. Go.
Another one.
Kunti na lang yan, ha?
Okay,
Galing
good
ah.
job.
Galing ah.
Yung dinosaur mo, baliktad na pa. Yung red. Pero sige, finish it up.
Wow!
Twist. You have to twist it. Twist first. Twist. Okay, twist. Twist niyan.
Wow! Galing
Okay.
ah.
Wow. Put it. Okay.
Wow!
I think you have to twist this too, Lucas. Twist this too, oh.
Hindi, makikita niya yan. Dito.
Two.
Ayun, papalitan niya yan.
Twist mo yung two. Twist mo. No. Help ka ni Daddy. Pwede
Teka,
ba?
help
Ito
kita.
muna. Twist
Wait.
ka ni Daddy. Twist mo yung 2.
This one, di ba? Wait!
You have to look at na muna, Lucas. Look at Daddy. Okay, Daddy, can you twist it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, you want to finish it, Lucas? Oh, no, have to wait. Twist natin muna yung dalawa. You want to finish the last 2? Oh, Daddy, can Lucas finish the last one?
Yes.
See, look at Lucas. Oh, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Okay, then
Oh,
Lucas.
final.
Oh,
Oh, lagyan mo
finish
to.
the one, oh. Finish the last one.
Go.
Can I see? Can I see if you can?
Uh-oh, twist,
Uh-oh.
twist. Twist,
mo lang.
twist,
Uh-oh,
twist.
uh-oh.
Twist, no, twist.
See, the brown part is here, oh.
Go.
Okay, put it there.
Ay!
Another one.
Nice! Up!
Another one. Put
Careful.
it- Okay nga, put
I
it
get it,
above.
get it. I get it. No. Twist. Ayan na, go.
Oh, shit. Wow! Good job na, Lucas, ah!
Basil dinosaur!
Seryoso. Tatanggalin yan. Mamaya, gulo-gulo na yan.
Ayun na, tinatanggal na.
Happy? Kiss kita eh. Nakakurot din.